Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio, the world's oldest, largest, and most trusted hair restoration and retention company. For over 53 years, in London, Dubai, Cape Town, Sydney, Hong Kong, Mumbai, and more than 300 locations across 6 continents, we have helped people regain not just their hair, but their confidence. At Advanced Hair Studio, we believe the difference is not paying for a procedure, it's investing in a result. A result designed for your age, your face, and your lifestyle. For nearly 2 decades in India, thousands of men and women have trusted us on their journey to looking and feeling their best. Every journey begins with a personalized consultation, advanced hair and scalp diagnostics, and a solution tailored specifically to your needs. Backed by world-class research, advanced technology, and decades of expertise, our focus has always remained the same, delivering real, life-changing results. With over 500,000 transformations worldwide, our legacy is built on trust, confidence, and proven outcomes. Your journey to hair restoration begins here, with a personalized consultation designed exclusively for you. Advanced Hair Studio, restoring confidence since 1973.